Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MESARASTARR. Thank you so much for being here. Happy, what is today? Wednesday, you guys. This week is going really, really quickly by again. And it is in the 90s here in Elk Grove, California. It is super duper hot. So we have a swimming pool. I think I'm going to go swimming this evening. I don't like going swimming during the day. I'm probably like the only one on this earth that doesn't like to swim during the day. But the bees literally, like, whenever I'm outside in this pool during the day, they literally like chase me while I'm in the pool. So I can't see when I'm swimming, right, without my glasses. So it's like all I see is this like furry thing like coming, like this little insect, like, and I don't know where it's coming from because I have a bees scare me. So yeah, I literally just like have to swim in the evening when they kind of like go away, the bees. And so I think today I'm gonna go swimming. Like, it is so hot. We have our AC on. And yeah, but I mean, you know, it's one of the hottest days I think that we've had so far for this season. Yeah, so it's just going to keep getting warmer and warmer. But anyways, you guys, I'm here because I want to show you what I ended up getting on my buy one get one free candle sale they had. You know, I have the invoice in here. It feels like that sale was just like a few days ago, like literally like 2 or 3 days ago. So I was really surprised that this arrived today. Really surprised. So let me go ahead and show you. Here's my little boxy. I actually opened it. I have not opened the candles yet. They're still in the boxes. But yeah, here it is. Because the box looked a little bit, it was like kind of like how do I say it? Not completely like flat. So I was like, oh no, I hope nothing broke, you know. So no, nothing broke. Everything is perfectly packed very well. Much better than this time, than the last haul I did where things like leaked all over the place. So yeah, anyways, let me go ahead and dive right in and I'll show you what I got. Okay, let me start by showing you this. This is so adorable, you guys. I ended up ordering this. This is not in store. It's online exclusive. It is a wallflower plug. This thing is gorgeous. It has this like vintage, oh look, there's a little like string there. It has like this like kind of like 1940s vase like vibe to it. I think it's so pretty. You guys, look at this. I mean, how cool is that? It's like a crystal vase, or it looks like a, just like a, yeah, it looks like a glass vase. And and they even did the detail where you can see on the inside, you can see the stems. You see that? So it's a really gorgeous wallflower plug. And this here is like rubber. The flowers are like rubber. And this part is, I have the candle, that stuff you see on my hand, that's the the wicks on my hands, that black stuff. But this is like I would say like a plastic, and then, but this is, what is this? This is like just glitter on the inside. Really, really cute though, you guys, and it lights up. So anyway, $14.50. Really love this online exclusive, and like I love changing my wallflower plugs, and this is no exception. This is so beautiful. I cannot wait to plug it in. In another haul, you guys, I'll go ahead and show you soon what this looks like plugged in, because I'm just so excited to see. Okay, so there's that one, the first thing I ordered. The next thing I got was, look at how well they wrapped this. Like they really wrapped this with TLC. So yes, I ended up getting, wow, I mean, I don't even know if I can open it. It's just so wrapped so well. Let me see, I have my scissors right here. Let me go ahead and, this is like, I've never seen something so wrapped, so much bubble wrap. Let me see, here we go. All right, here we go. Which is a good thing, because this thing could bend easily, because it's like metal, and it's a thin metal, right? So here, look, they even put like an insert in there. Okay, to keep the form. All right, this is so beautiful. I've shown this in some walkthrough videos. This is absolutely gorgeous, you guys, isn't it? Oh my gosh, I love it. The red, purple, yellow, orange, green hearts. So beautiful. $14.95, $14.95. And it's so beautiful. So let me show you a couple candles, what it looks like holding some candles. Here's the sea salt and sails. So that's what it looks like with the sea salt and sails. And then I'll show you one more here that I have next to me. The chocolate chip cookies right here. So there we go. It just looks good with every single candle. Yeah, it does. And I love it. I think it's so pretty. And you know, of course, there's the matching soap holder. But me, I splash soap everywhere, or not soap, water, you guys. Like, I just cannot be like super neat when I'm washing my hands. So I don't think I can get the soap holder. I worry that it'll like rust, you know, my sink area. The only soap holder I have that I got this like recently is the clamshell holder. So anyways, here we go. There it is. So beautiful. That is so pretty. The next thing I ordered is, look at how nice these came. Like, I got some single wicks too. It says single wick. That's cute. It says single wick major fragrance. All right, and here we have the strawberry pound cake. I ordered another single wick in the strawberry pound cake. You guys know this is a classic. I always love this one. This is just, even a single wick, it's like, it's super duper strong. I mean, this literally is as strong as in a 3-wick candle, and I have a 3-wick somewhere. I have 2 of them. But yeah, it is so, so good. Do they start putting the keynotes at the bottom of this one? No, not on this one. They have not started this one. This is an older packaging, so the keynotes are not at the bottom of this one yet. Okay, so I picked up this one. Then I also ordered this one. Again, right here. This one I haven't had, but this has really, really good reviews. Of course, there's the body care that matches this. The Copper Coconut Sands. My goodness, this, again, every review I was reading was positive, positive, positive. Like, people are like, I needed backups of this, you know, on the Bath & Body Works website. Those reviews on Bath & Body Works website are so helpful sometimes when I'm like on the fence whether or not I want to order something and I haven't smelt it, like an online exclusive, or, you know what I mean? So it really does kind of help when I read those. This one does not have the, this is when they have not started putting the keynotes at the bottom. But anyways, you guys, this, oh, it is so, so, I mean, of course, the body care. We love the body care, but this is like coconut, and they say it throws really, really well too. So I'm going to do a review on this one because I'm really excited to do a review. It smells like suntan lotion to me. It reminds me of the Perfect Summer, but you know how I always say the Perfect Summer doesn't smell good? The 3-wick candle, I have it right here by my feet. To me, it smells a little bit softer than that and more like coconut, but it has that, what do I want to say? Suntan lotion scent in there. Like, when I'm moving it around, I smell suntan lotion. So anyways, I got the Copper Coconut Sands. The next thing, let's get into the 3 wicks. Okay, so it's buy one, get one free. That's amazing, you guys. Like, a really good deal. So I ended up getting, this was an online exclusive. I think I saw this like one time before. There was one in the store during like a sale, and I didn't buy it. And I was like, why didn't I buy it? I'm a huge fan of vanilla. You guys, vanilla scents are so, like, they're just comforting to me, the vanilla scents. So look how nice they wrapped this too this time. Like, so nice. Like, props to Bath & Body Works. So you can see I got the warm vanilla sugar. Yes, I'm so excited. So, oh my gosh, of course the body care is in store, but not the 3-wick candle. I wonder why this is an online exclusive. This one also has amazing reviews, like amazing, you guys. So, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. So here we have it. Before I smell it, I want to show you the packaging. Exactly apples to apples, obviously, to the body care in store. Whenever I'm in store and there's like a big sale, like today, there's buy 3 get 3 on the body care, I oftentimes see people pick up the warm vanilla sugar. It's been a while since I have bought warm vanilla sugar in the body care, but whenever I see people buy it, I'm like, wait, I should probably be buying this because I love the scent of vanilla. Vanilla Bean Noel, I love that one. Like anything, because it's like gourmand to me, you know? So, okay. Oh no, there is a crack in this one. Oh, no. Okay, how did that happen? So there is a crack. I don't know if you guys can see it right here. Right, it's like right there. I don't know if you guys, right there. There it is. See the crack? Yeah, oh, that's too bad. Okay, so let me smell it. It is good. It is kind of light. I'm really bummed by that crack though, by the way. It's like really distracting me. It is really, really good. It's a little soft, but it's really, really good. It's warm vanilla sugar. So I'm excited. Let me see. The keynotes are going to be, oh, I love this. Intoxicating vanilla, white orchid, sparkling sugar, and fresh jasmine, and creamy sandalwood. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 key notes in this. Again, intoxicating vanilla, that is cracking me up. White orchid, sparkling sugar, fresh jasmine, creamy sandalwood. Yeah, it's definitely creamy, warm vanilla sugar. It is totally different though than Vanilla Bean Noel. Like this is totally, it has that floral background in it. That's that jasmine. This is interesting. I'm gonna burn this and review it, you guys. I hope it'll be okay with that crack though in the front. I think it will be. But yeah, it's not as strong as I thought it would be, and I thought it would be creamier. So I thought it'd be like a creamier, true, like vanilla, and I guess I'm thinking Vanilla Bean Noel. But yeah, this is more, has that floral background to it. Yes, yes, yes. Sparkling sugar, white orchid. There's 2 notes of floral in here, orchid and jasmine, and intoxicating vanilla. I can't stop saying that word. Intoxicating vanilla. There we have it. So I don't know. I like it a lot. I like it a lot because I can smell the vanilla. So I'm going to burn it, and I will do a review on that for you guys. Okay, the last one I got, here it is. Hopefully this one's not chipped at all, is this one I'm so excited about. It'll probably be my thumbnail for this video because I'm so excited about it. That's why I wanted to hop on here too, because this is an online exclusive, and I wanted to hop on here earlier today than I normally do, because this is, like, I can't get this in stores, and so I wish this was in store. Let me make sure this is not chipped too when I'm like opening this with my hands. It feels kind of rough there. Okay. Okay, here we go. All right, you guys. I got the warm apple pie. Yes. Oh my goodness gracious. Look at how beautiful it is. So I have somewhere over here, let me grab it. I have the firecracker pop. It should be right here. I think it's right here. There's so many candles over here, you guys. Is this firecracker pop? Yeah. Okay, so here's firecracker pop. Let me go ahead and show you the 2 side by side, but let's talk about this one first. Let me go ahead and give it a try it out. But look at how pretty that is. Warm apple pie with the firecrackers, and it's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, the stars. Wow, right? Ah, I love it. Okay, those stars are so pretty. The different color stars, and then the yellow, red, and blue and white stars. Okay, let me go ahead and smell it. Oh my gosh, this is exactly a warm apple pie. Exactly. You guys, this is amazing. This is what, that is what it is. Like this warm apple pie. This is 100%. Oh my gosh. You can really smell that crust. That, oh my goodness. This is baked Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, flaky homemade crust with natural essential oils. Again, baked Granny Smith apple, melted brown sugar, and flaky homemade crust. Oh my word. This is good, you guys. I should have ordered 2 of these, but I wanted to order it first to make sure it was strong, you know, like this batch here, and then I was going to order some more. But it is really really good, you guys. I like want to eat this candle. It's like so good on cold. It's pretty strong on cold. Yeah. You get the apples, that like graham cracker crust, and it's really good. It's salty. It's just like apple pie that was taken out of the oven, and I always love eating apple pie with like ice cream, like vanilla ice cream. That's kind of like giving me that like I'm getting hungry. This is so good, you guys. Warm apple pie. So I'm going to review this for you guys too to see how it throws soon, okay? Like I'm going to review it for you because last year I got the warm apple pie. It was the one with the red wax, and it threw like good, but it wasn't like the strongest I've ever had in a candle. Like I've had stronger ones. So that's why I too only got one, because I want to see again how it performs. Again, if it does, then I'll get several more, because this scent on cold is fabulous. Absolutely fabulous. It's probably one of my like favorite summer scents that they have, because again, I love that gourmand food items. And then here we have the firecracker pop. So here's the 4th of July collection. Isn't that so precious? Oh my gosh, you guys, they both have fireworks on them, and just really, really nice. But yay, warm apple pie for the win. Oh my gosh. The lid is kind of like basic, you know, which I don't mind. Again, I don't mind. But here's the color of the wax, the 3-wick, and It's just, and here's like the back of it. It's just so good. It's so good. It's like an apple pie is like in my room right here. It's just so good. So anyways, you guys, that is everything I ordered on this haul. You know, I'm gonna actually see when I placed this order, because I feel like it literally came overnight in the mail. It's like, what? Let me see. Here's my order. When did I order this? On May 15th. So yeah, I ordered it on May 15th. It literally just like came like pretty much overnight. Like today's Wednesday. I don't know I think it's the 18th. Today's the 18th. So 15, 16, almost 4 days it took to get here, but that's really quick. I didn't pay extra for like overnight shipping or anything like that. It just came really quick. So did you guys get your orders really quick too? I'm super impressed. So anyways, you guys, thank you again so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I would love to hear what your favorite thing is I ordered. If you're new to my channel, I would love if you would subscribe. And my returning family, a huge, huge thank you so much for being here, friends, for everybody for being here. And so with that being said, I will see you very, very soon with my next haul. Yes. All right, friends, take care and God bless. God bless you always. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.